Christmas Tree 10 All-Time Zimbabwean Songs for your Christmas playlist. Christmas in Zimbabwe is more than just a date, it's an atmosphere. It's the sound of Kisimusi Kumusha, Christmas in the rural home, the smell of roasting goat meat, and most importantly, the soundtrack that blares from every radio and shopfront from Harare to Bulawayo. Whether you are in the diaspora or enjoying the heat back home, here are 10 all-time Zimbabwean songs that define the festive season. 1. Mufare Kisimusi, traditional, various artists. The quintessential Shona version of We Wish You a Merry Christmas. It's usually the first song children learn for school plays and the one that echoes through the streets as the sun sets on Christmas Eve. Vibe. Pure nostalgia and family unity. 2. Tazvarirwa Mwana, Catholic hymn, various choirs. No Zimbabwean Christmas is complete without the booming voices of a church choir. This hymn, hymn 917, is a staple in Catholic and Anglican services, celebrating the birth of Christ with that distinct African harmonic richness. 3. Kisimusi Sifikile, Prayzah. A modern classic. Prayzah captured the excitement of returning home for the holidays. Its upbeat tempo is perfect for that Christmas morning dance-off while the family prepares the feast. 4. Chitekete, Leonard Dembo. While not strictly a Christmas song, Chitekete is arguably the unofficial anthem of every Zimbabwean celebration. Since its release, it has been the go-to track for Pashika Shika, festive dancing, during the December holidays. 5. Uyayi Ma Christu, Shona carols Tida Nadipa. The Shona rendition of O Come All Ye Faithful. It's a song that bridges the gap between the solemnity of the Nativity and the joy of the Zimbabwean spirit. 6. Engarozi, Winky D featuring Vabati Va Jehovah. Bringing together Zim dancehall and choral music, this track became an instant festive hit. Its message of protection and angelic guidance resonates deeply during a season where many are traveling long distances to see loved ones. 7. Mabhawuwa, Khiama Boys. This Sungura classic is a holiday essential. It's the kind of song that gets the elders up from their chairs and reminds everyone of the legendary big garden parties of the 90s. 8. Neria, Oliver Tukudzi. Christmas in Zimbabwe is also a time for reflection. Tuku's Neria is often played during family gatherings to honor those who are no longer with us, reminding us to hold our loved ones close. 9. Makorokoto, Mechanic Manyaruk. A song of congratulations and celebration. As the year ends, this gospel classic is played to celebrate surviving another year and making it to the festive season. 10. Christmas in Zimbabwe, John Edmund. A nostalgic folk song that captures the unique feeling of a Southern Hemisphere Christmas, where there is no snow, but there are flame lilies in bloom, and cicadas singing in the trees. TV watch and listen. If you want to get into the Kumusha, rural home spirit, check out the traditional celebrations and music captured in this festive compilation. Hashtag Chero TV, hashtag Zim Christmas, hashtag Kisimusi Kumusha, hashtag Zim Music Classics, hashtag Visit Zimbabwe, hashtag Christmas in Zim, hashtag Tuku Music, hashtag Sungura Magic, Zim Holidays 2025.